Oh God, save me. Bro, this is so cool. I'm in Japan. I'm in Japan.
Hello. Welcome to Japan.
This is so cool. Let's go.
Welcome to Tokyo.
Welcome to Tokyo. Let's go.
Go guys. Konnichiwa.
Arigato, this is Japan. Welcome to the new country, Japan.
Hi. Super close up talaga. Grabe naman, quiz. Halika na.
Hi.
Okay, we're here at Asakusa Station.
Power.
Bye guys, see you tomorrow. Okay, bukas. Ayan na. Iba yung hotel nila. Oh, dito tayo sa kabila. Going to Ginza and Ueno. Gutom na mga kids. Sa wakas nakalabas din. Ang lamig. Revis, cold ba, Trev? Cold? It's cold. Oh! Saan tayo? Ano nakita mo, Candice?
Don Quixote.
Donkey! Ang lamig!
Punta ba tayo ng hotel?
Yes.
Kakain.
Tawid muna tayo dito. Nakakali tayo siya.
The best day of my life.
Ang lamig! Ang lamig!
Wait a second. Wait a second. Oh my God.
Thank you, Lord! We're here at Japan! Tokyo! Ang lamig!
Don't be loud.
Woo! Ang lamig, ang sarap! Legit yung lamig!
You're the only one loud in here.
Ang sarap oh!
Go, Lina.
Travis, humawa ka sa akin. Legit yung lamig. Ang sarap. Apakalamig. Woo! Dito na kami sa hotel.
Yeah,
Yehey!
this is more bigger.
Yes!
This one.
We're here at hotel. Don't bark. We're here. This is our home for 5 days. We're here.
Oh my God, this is so That was cold.
That was so cold. The cold weather of my life.
The world's coldest country is Japan.
Happy? Woohoo! Let's go guys. Hindi, small lang po na. Wow!
I'm top box, by the way. I'm going to top box too. I'm going to
Uy, ang ganda
No,
naman.
bawal ka.
Ang ganda naman ng bed natin.
Paano ka bababa? Hoy, paano ka bababa?
Dito ka lang sa baba, anak.
Sa baba ka lang na. Diyan kami ni mama sa taas. Ang ganda na ang bed namin. First day.
And then you have a cover like this. Yes, yeah.
Diyan ka, Candice.
You go there,
Huh?
and then you can buy.
Do you have a hiding spot? Yes, like that.
Oh, dito kami ni Mama. Oh.
Ha?
Kami ni ate dito sa
Yes.
Pwede kayo magtabi ni
Travis
ate.
sa baba.
It's big naman,
Oh,
diba?
big naman, maganda. Big, malaki yan. Ano, buksan natin aircon?
Buksan yung
Buksan natin aircon.
No.
My slippers.
And then here's the
I'm gonna wear my
restroom.
sleeping slippers.
Saan ang restroom natin, ah?
Here.
Ganda. May bathtub pa, oh.
Can I take my socks off?
Bathtub.
Lalabas na tayo kasi nakain na tayo.
Slippers ate.
There's a lot of slippers there.
Slipper.
Okay, labas tayo. Kakain muna tayo, ah. Wala pang dinner. Here he got donkey.
I might find the
Donkey Hote.
ganda.
Basket, you want basket? Ito na yung aming dinner.
Ah, wait, I forgot something.
Huwag na, ang dami mo na naman makukuha eh. Sige, try niya raw eh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.
Fine, fine.
First dinner.
Can I...
Go. First dinner. Good morning. Day 2 ng ating Welcome to Japan trip. So, ito na ang ating Welcome to the Winter.
Look at
Siyempre kailangan naka-heat tech tayo.
Look at
Breakfast lang muna tapos kikitain namin sila Maris, Apple, and Carrie. We're here at Ginza. Ano, mag-GU ba tayo? May nakakita ng GU. GU. Mga lamigin. Hindi kayo sanay sa lamig.
Uy, pila na kayo kukuha ng ticket.
Kumuha na kayong tiger. Dun, habang wala pa pila.
Oo, kumuha.
Good morning, welcome to Tokyo.
Hi.
Ginza Station.
Picture tayo pagdating dito.
So, hinihintay na lang natin si Maris family. Kompleto na tayo.
Oo, there's a
Si Osido nakauwi na. Message ko.
pauwi na.
Oh, sabi kami uwi no, siya uwi na. Okay ba? Okay ba? O kami naman picturean nyo ba? Kayo lang may picture? Kayo lang may picture? Kami wala kami picture. Hello guys.
Nakita ko yung locker.
Alex.
Nabit-bit na lang namin.
Hello baby.
Bless. Hello.
Kumusta?
Hello na. God bless.
Okay. Complete setup na tayo guys. Diyan na sila Maris. Say hi, say hi, say hi. Ma. Kinuha na lang na. Ma. Kumuha pa kami dito. Ang galing ba? Alex.
Ay. Nagdala ako.
Bumili rin ako sa Decathlon, ganyan.
Kasi kagabi naglakad kami, kulubot na yung
Ako naman tinatansya ko.
Tapos hindi ko na nararamdaman.
Oh, ito hindi ko na nga maramdaman, no. Okay, complete setup na tayo. Nandiyan na sila Maris. So, wala na tayong ihintayin. Ayun, dun daw sabi ni Ate Apple, oh, ni ng Apple, dun. Meron daw dun. Best times 3 ba ng Baguio, best?
Times 4. Matindi
Ikaw, Dien.
na.
Lamig ba, Dien?
Sobrang lamig.
Gano'ng kalamig?
Snow na lang ang
1 to 10, 1 to 10.
9.
9.
Snow na lang ang kulang.
Snow na lang kulang.
Ganun yun ano niya. Level na lang.
Ibang klase yung lamig, grabe. Let's go guys, let's go guys.
Later yun, later. Balik tayo.
5 times personal.
Ayan, to sa
Later, ha?
Let's go guys, let's go. Saan tayo?
Saan tayo sa Gio?
Gio, nandun yung Gio ah. Kabila.
Picture muna tayo.
Bago ng baby oh. 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 Hello Astrid. Hello. Oh, video. Video. Asan na si? Ayun o. So, Starbucks muna kami. Kasi yung mga store dito 11 AM pa nag-i-start, nag-o-open. Eh sobrang lamig sa labas eh. At yung mga iba naghahanap na ng CR. Ayan. So, nauwi kami sa Starbucks. Eh.
Akihabara.
Sa mga shoppingera. Daming nabudol ah.
Let's go to Akihabara now.
Ha?
Let's go to Akihabara now.
Wala pa, 'di ba? Sabi yung shoes pa, 'di ba? Pag nag-behave, 2 toy.
Yun.
Huh?
Oh.
Eh, hindi ka behave.
Shoes pa.
Half price ka lang. Half price lang.
Eh, kukunin lang yung shoes. Kukunin lang. Okay?
Fine.
Yan. 140 pesos lang isa niyan.
Saan?
Ayan o, brief, boxer.
Pwede pang-regalo.
Pwede na, ayan o. Oh. Sa Divisoria yan, 150 isa niyan. Yan, 140 lang sa GU.
Oh.
Grabe. Ang ganda sa Tokyo sa gabi. Ganda ng ilaw oh. Oh. Yes, buti ako bakasyonista. Yes. Nice ma'am. Hey miss.
Hello, guys.
Hello vlog.
Hello vlog, sabi mo.
Hello.
Hello guys. Daming nabudol na naman. Budol si Kari.
May sapatos pa.
Daming nabudol oh. Oh, Uniqlo naman, Uniqlo.
Yoko.
Tayo sa OnCloud tayo.
Ikaw naman on cloud. Doon na kami kanina eh. Ito, kay ano.
Ay, nakapunta ka na
Bag. Kay Sarli to. Oh, sige, sige.
Tara na. Uwi na tayo.
Pupunta, bibilan natin toy si ano.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Bye guys. Arnie, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I wanna go to Akihabara.
Oh, I wanna go to?
Akihabara.
Why?
So I can get my Gundam wing.
Oh, toys? Many toys?
Yes. Akihabara, let's go.
Air fighter, no?
Ang dami na, Trev. Buildable, ang ganda. Oh. Oh, meron na. Travis, oh, ang dami, oh. Oh. Wala, sino nang pipiliin mo?
Lang ha.
Oh, ito lang, to. Pick to. To only. Kasi nag-tweet ka naman kay ate. Oh.
Oh, this one, ganda din.
Oh.
Same.
Hindi, dapat gusto niya may villain, may hero.
This one, ganda din.
Ganda, purple. Oh. Gusto mo?
What do you want?
Gusto. Putrin na yan.
Huwag na to, ah.
Yan na yan.
Eh, paano to?
Bigay na rin natin
This
yan.
one, hero, eh.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Oh, ito sa ano mo na to, next year mo na yan open. Oh. Magka
Pili ka lang dito ng isa. Parang mas maganda to, no?
Ano ba yan, nak? 1.5.
Ito pa, oh, ano ba to?
3.
Tingnan nga nito.
Ah, magkaparas lang, be. Magkaparas lang.
Same ba sila?
Oh.
46 is 170.
Oh.
This is the best day of my life.
Oh. Good job, nak. It's worth it. It's worth it. Happy?
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Todong. So, ito, papa. Ganda. This is Akihabara, ha? There's Donkey.
Parang ako,
Let's go to Donkey.
donkey.
Trebo, grab lots of ano, noodles and
The
what
snacks.
this? Snacks.
And those are snacks.
What do you want?
More chocolates.
Get chocolate, Trev.
Huh?
Get some chocolate.
Huh?
Baon natin sa biyahe tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh.
Yo, Papa, look at this.
Ayos? Happy?
This is the best day of my life, Papa.
Why? Best day? Open pa, open pa. Okay, dinner. Push. Tokyo McDonald's.
Can I go out now?
Eat.
For ano, because they were first.
Day to dinner.
Just have to move downstairs.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. May pa ba si Mayora? Good morning.
Kape mo.
Oy, thank you.
1,000 yen.
1,000 na.
Sabi na 1,000 to.
Nabuo na ang
Good morning. Day 2, dito muna tayo sa Lake Gujichiko.
Kawaguchiko. Kawaguchiko.
Guchiko. Sobrang lamig dito sa Baguio. Ay, Tokyo pala, Tokyo. Ito matindi, oh. Maxine. Ice cream pa more, Maxine. Yes. Yun.
Ano pa muna?
Yun na yan.
Show daw kay Papa.
pa yung ice cream mo.
Toto camera yung ice cream. Wow. Ang lakas mo talaga.
I like them. You work?
One, two. Click, click, click. Isa lang, isa lang. Click, click.
Garby,
No, no, no. Ah.
don't make him lick it because there's alcohol in his mouth.
Ayun na po, may Christmas tree. Doon tayo sa may Christmas tree.
Christmas tree.
Ayun na doon kanina ng apple.
Ang sarap di matamis.
Baby, tika dito.
Christmas tree. Christmas tree. No Christmas tree.
Ba, sarap. Ang lamig, guys. Guys, ang lamig dito, guys.
Pakiramdam ako na gumagalaw siya.
Ay, ano naman?
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Welcome to Shipen Jipen. Ay, Taiwan pala yun. Let's go, guys. Picture tayo, group pic tayo, group pic. Tama-tama, hindi masyadong ano dito crowded.
Akin na yung cellphone ko. Sabi? Umpisa pa lang.
Ayan na, guys.
Naka-20
Ano yan, Trev? Ano sabi mo?
10 minutes na lang.
10 minutes na lang, puro picture tayo. Hindi man natin na enjoy yung river, oh.
40 minutes na lang.
Ang ganda rito.
The river.
Hindi naman ng tubig, ano? Ano yun, nak?
Nagulat ako when when he
happened?
was parang like that.
Oh. Sino? Tito Arbs?
Yeah.
Tito Arvin yan, oh. Tito Arvin.
Headbutt ko ikaw.
Headbutt Tito Arbs.
Ay, gagalong kita.
Oh, headbutt mo, Tito Arbs. Headbutt mo. Boo!
Parang goat. But I'm the goat. So.
Ganda.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
Where's Daddy?
Yan.
Billy.
Donut.
Bakit yung anak mo mas malakas sa'yo? Ano yun?
Anak ko yan.
Oo, anak ko yan. Parang bata nga eh.
Ay, ayun pala.
Gusto mo takoyaki?
Ako na, ang dami ko na nakain.
41 ka. 41 ka.
Nanghiram ako lahat pinahiram ko.
Ibig sabihin mas matanda.
So,
Dami na natin kain.
It's so good.
oh. Ayun yung pansito yan oh.
Kain na kayo.
Or means. Is it really? Ano yung fault ako yaki?
You got the biggest cheese pull of all. Ay, sa gitna? Get a cheese pull ate.
Nak, tikman mo. Tikman mo. Dali.
No cheese pull. No cheese pull.
Huwag mo iwala yung plastic ko para.
Alex, bye. Subo na, subo na.
No, I don't.
Subo na si Alex ng pansit canton. Yehey!
Alex from Minecraft.
Ate Alex.
Oh, di ba?
Authentic Japan takoyaki.
Wait,
Kayo, ito na yung lunch natin. Kumain na kayo.
Nakain na kami.
Ayun ba yan?
Sabi mo naman ako.
Ay, wag mong kakainin ng buo. Sunod-sunog yung
Sunog daw
umalang-alang.
yung alang-alang mo dyan.
Oh, sige, kagatin mo muna.
Yung reaction nyo.
Nilunok na lang. Kagatin mo lang na, kagatin mo lang, mainit yan.
Mamaya na nak. Baglaan sa. Tayo na yung rubber band.
Parang takoyaki lang sa kanto ah. Hindi, authentic ba? Authentic?
Authentic?
May lasang pag
cheese ball.
grinil yung
Where's the cheese tray, bis?
Rinil yung octopus.
Sipon mo yan eh, oh. Sipon mo yan. Di naman. Ay, kumakain ng sipon. Ay, cheese pala. Cheese. Okay, cheese. Ay, sipon.
Bigla
Joke.
You sang that!
Oh.
Oh no.
Ako, subuhan mo ko. Para sweet.
No.
First bite.
Mami oh.
Good thing I know how to wrestle. And bow.
Authentic.
No.
Hey. Welcome to Shibuya.
Oo nga.
Ano yan, oy?
What is it?
Street, mag-ano lang ako.
What is it?
Huwag kang ihiwalay ha. Pag ikaw nawala dito, tingnan mo sa dami ng tao.
Ako na kay Travis.
What is it?
Ako na kayo sa likod.
Ano niya?
What is it?
Halika na, yung dalawang kuwasa na. Asa si Ate Candy?
Saan tayo punta, bale?
Kay Hachiko.
Hachiko yung aso.
Dahil ng experience.
Good luck to us.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize something needs change. Cause I know you got me f***ed up. Let me show you what's up. Cause enough is enough. I'll take a face full of pavement just to make a statement. I know there's no turning back. Oh God, adrenaline wasted, so mad I can taste it. I know there's no turning back. I'll do what it takes, I ain't making mistakes like that. I'll put it on your face to make you go take it back. I lose my shit, I go crazy when I'm mad. of me, blood so violently, thanks for trying me. Now it's finally time to see how this rivalry becomes my dynasty.